You know how we're always told we need to be more active, get more exercise? But seriously, who has time to hit the gym every single day? Well, what if there was a secret way to get that exercise in while you're just, living your life? Let's get into the simple, awesome power of active transportation.
Okay, so this right here, this is pretty much the whole idea we're going to unpack. It's a huge promise, isn't it? Better health, more cash in your pocket, and a happier planet. All just by changing how you get from A to B. So how on earth does that actually work?
So let's be real for a second. Between school and homework and chores and trying to have a social life, where exactly is exercise supposed to fit? For most of us, it feels like this impossible chore, just one more thing on a crazy long to-do list.
But here's the cool thing. It's all about a mental shift. The secret isn't about trying to cram more stuff into your day. Nope. It's about totally transforming a part of your day that already exists. Your commute. I mean, think about it. You're already going to school, or to a friend's house, or to the store. That travel time is a hidden opportunity just waiting for you.
And that leads us straight to the solution. And no, it's not some expensive app or a super complicated workout routine. The solution is way, way simpler, because it's already built right into your daily life.
So there's a name for this whole idea: active transportation. And the key part is right there in the definition. It's about using your own energy to get somewhere you are already going. This isn't exercise just for the sake of exercise. This is movement with a mission. You're getting stuff done and getting active at the exact same time. It's a total win-win. Okay, so let's say you do it. You start walking a little more, maybe biking to a friend's place. What actually happens? Well, the benefits are pretty immediate. And trust me, they go way beyond just burning a few calories. Let's look at what this actually does for your body and your mind. First off, you're going to feel stronger. It's that simple. Every single step or pedal builds up your muscles and your stamina. Second, you get a serious mood boost. Getting your body moving releases all these feel-good chemicals in your brain that can totally slash your stress and even help you focus better. And finally, you'll sleep better. Being active during the day really does help you conk out faster at night and get that deep, restful sleep. But here's where it gets really interesting. The impact of this one simple choice, it doesn't just stop with you. It creates this awesome ripple effect for our planet, for your wallet, and even for the people in your neighborhood. Let's break that down.
So the first one is super straightforward. Every single time you decide to walk or bike instead of hopping in a car, that is literally one less car pumping pollution into our air. It's such a small, personal choice that has a real, actual impact on the environment.
And then there's a benefit you'll feel right away. It saves you money. Think about it. There's no gas to buy, no bus pass to worry about. Using your own power to get around is one of the very few things in life that is 100% free. And this one is really cool too. There's a huge community benefit. When there are more people out and about walking and biking, our neighborhoods just feel more alive, more connected. It kind of makes the streets feel like they belong to the people again, which makes everyone feel a little bit safer.
Okay, I know, this all sounds great in theory, but how do you, actually start? Well, the best part is you don't need some grand plan. You don't have to overhaul your whole life tomorrow. Your first step can be a tiny one.
Just look at these ideas. These aren't huge commitments, right? Maybe if you're getting a ride, you just ask to be dropped off a few blocks early and walk the rest of the way. Or instead of asking for a ride to your friend's house, you just grab your scooter. Even simple things like always taking the stairs instead of the elevator or walking to the corner store, it all counts. It's all about finding those small, easy swaps.
So if you only take one thing away from all of this, let it be this. Active transportation is not another thing you have to add to your busy schedule. It's movement that you can just weave into the life you're already living. No gym membership, no team tryouts, no fancy gear, just you and the places you're already going.
So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. Just one. Take a look at your week ahead. Think about all the places you have to go. Is there just one trip, just one, that you could make by walking or biking instead of taking a car? Because starting small, that's how the really big changes always happen.